Hi guys, welcome to Amalov's Diary. Let me show you how to create this dust donkey editing. Okay, this is very simple, one of the most simplest editing ever. So this is how you record the video. You mount your tripod stand, you mount it far away from you, then you move to anywhere that you want the video to start. You just give a space, and then far away from your camera you start walking close to the camera. Just walk close to the camera. After that, walk out of the camera and save the video. Then you open your Capcut and import the video to your Capcut. This is Capcut and this is how the video looks. Before now, you must have already downloaded your green screen dust donkey or green screen dust lady or dust man, anything that you want to put there. You can even put a lion, anything at all, okay? So this is the video. Now I have to trim all those places that I mount the camera and walk far away before I started coming. It's not necessary, so I have to trim it. Then at the end of the video where I walked out of the camera, I also have to trim it so that I will have just this. Okay, so this is what I have now. I'm going to click on overlay so that I can bring this green screen of what I want to use. So this is it. I will click on import so that I can import my own green screen. You can use lion, you can use elephant, you can use anything. Just get the green screen. You can get it from TikTok or any other place. Alright, so first of all, I will have to go to remove background, then click on chroma key so that I can remove the green screen. Then go to adjust, click on HSL, click on that green color, then go to saturation and drag it to -100. Alright, so this is what I have. You can see that I'm too close to the dust. Towards the end of the video, I'm too close to it. So what I have to do is to move the video far away. You can use your two fingers to adjust the video. Make it big, make it smaller, bring it closer, or take it far away. Anyhow you want, depending on your choice, okay? So I just brought the video down so that I won't be close to it. So this is what I have. So here I'll have to trim it, split this one, because you can see that my video is longer than the green screen. So I will split my video and delete, then split the other one and delete it so that both of them will be at the same length. So this is what we have. Once you are done, you click on export and save your video. Thanks for watching.